Welcome to my channel Art and Craft plus Education Classic. Today let's learn to make a handmade Rakhi. So this Rakshabandhan, try to make a handmade Rakhi for your brother. Take string of any color and wrap it around your hand in this manner. Then remove it from your hand very carefully. And then take another string and tie it from the middle, making two equal halves. Now cut it from the middle as shown here. Repeat the same process in the other side. Then take a decorative stone and stick it at the center. Then take a brush and comb the strings in this way. Repeat the same process in the other side. Then take a long thread and stick it at the back in this way. And here the Rakhi is ready. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.